In this video, I am going to show you the best website. You can find thousands of AIs that you don't even know of yet that are so helpful and super easy to get. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to see how you can get access to all these different AIs. And without further ado, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But now let's get right into this. So first you have to go onto Google and then search for something called future tools. So if you search for that, you will find this link right here, and then you go onto the first website and you will be right on the site futuretools.io. As you already can see, there are a lot of different AIs on the first page already. For example, a chatbot, then things such as simple phones, so answer with phones AI, then a profile picture AI, and so much more. And these are all really helpful AIs. But now if you want to find a perfect AI for you, so let's just say, because all you have to remember is this website, since then you don't have to have thousands of names of AIs in your head, but you can just go to this website and then search for an AI, for example, for marketing. Let's just say marketing. Then you just click this box here and boom, it will select the AIs that are really helpful for marketing. And for example, there's a tool for YouTube creators to optimize their content. Then an AI for SEO. Then an AI that is for press releases. So a lot of different things. But you can also go onto, for example, generative code. And then we will see knowledge graph GPT, batch GPT, all of these AIs. And then if you just, for example, go on one, you can just click onto this AI and then visit the website by going onto it, and you will be on the batch GPT and you can get started for free and start filling this out, and then you have an AI where you can create some code. And then again, if you need another AI, for example, you need an AI for social media, then you can just go back onto this website, futuretools.io, and again search for an AI that fits you. Just go onto this again, and then go on to visit, and you will be back onto another AI you didn't even know of existed that will help you with, for example, scheduling your Twitter posts, and that will be really helpful for you. So this was it with the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I definitely think Future Tools is a really great tool, so you have access to millions of AIs and don't have to remember all of them by name. And you can always just go onto this website and then search for an AI if you need something for anything. So it can be gaming, inspiration, whatever. There's always an AI for it, and you can just search it on here. So make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I will say bye.